So most people dream of having a 7-figure info business, but they don't have any idea what the actual numbers look like. So let's break it down here in about 3 minutes or so that you actually know what the numbers look like behind $1 million recurring info business. First, we need to do some of the most simplest math to really understand this. $1 million means that you need to be making $83,333 per month. If you have a program that you're selling and it's $97 a month, that means that you're gonna need 860 members at all time paying you each and every month. If your program is $297 a month, that means you're gonna need 280 members paying you at all times every single month. Or if it's $499 a month, that means you're gonna need an active 167 members paying you each and every month. The price point matters a lot. Obviously, the more you charge, the fewer people that you need to keep on subscription to hit that million per month, but the more you charge, your offer has to back up that price. So now we need to understand what churn is, what the churn rate is, and how you figure that in so that you're getting accurate numbers and you're not being misled mentally thinking, well, to make a million a year, I need 860 members and that's it. That's not really the case, and this is where a lot of people make a mistake. The average churn rate for an information business that charges a monthly rate is about 5 to 10% on average, meaning you're gonna lose about 5 to 10% of your active monthly members every single month, even if you're doing everything perfectly correct, even if everything is going correct. So let's look at an example here. So if you have 1,000 members and you're having a 7% churn rate, that means every single month you're gonna lose about 70 members from your membership. That means every single month you need to bring in 70 new people in order to maintain that same monthly income that you had at 1,000 members. And if you wanna grow, that means you gotta bring in more than 70 members every single month with that 7% churn rate. So let's look at what this actually means for you if you do wanna grow $1 million per year monthly recurring info business. Let's look at what you actually need. Number one, you're gonna need a reliable system that's gonna be able to attract and convert new high-value members every single month. You're also gonna need ways to increase your retention. That means you're gonna need something that brings in new value each month, meaning they're gonna see something every month that they want to actually stay for. They're gonna see community engagement. You're gonna need good onboarding process. And you're also gonna need stuff that's going in there each month that's new, that's gonna keep them wanting to stay subscribed. And then if you're real smart, you're gonna be doing upsells inside of your actual monthly membership, and you're gonna be locking in cash with annual options. So when they pay for the whole year, that locks in that cash flow for that year. And that also reduces the churn. This is why you wanna really focus on building your personal brand, building up a good audience, having that solid audience, and then also having a good flow going on, having a good system of traffic at all times. You want to consistently be generating organic content that really speaks to your ideal customer. And then you really want to have a good follow-up system, good automated follow-up system, good offers, free offers, constantly generating those leads. And you want to get some referrals. You want to constantly use your own clients when they get results, push those referrals out through the emails, because then your members get you members, and then 1 becomes 2 and 4 and 8, and nothing will compound like word of mouth. You'll do whatever it takes to keep that pipeline full. You wanna always have constant pressure of people coming in. So you're gonna be doing different types of offers. You're gonna be looking at different types of ways to attract people, weekly workshops. You're gonna be doing special events inside of your membership area so that you always have something to talk about out there in the social media space to get that pipeline full and keep people coming. So the numbers are really simple. If you want to hit $1 million a year in recurring revenue, it's just simply a math problem. It's a math equation that you've got to work out. And now you actually know that equation, so you're not going to be fooled like most of the people that are out there thinking that, oh, to make $1 million a year, I just need 1,000 members paying me $97 a month. The question I have for you is, what are you doing right now and each and every day to make sure that you are constantly getting new members into your actual business, your community, the offering that you're making? So go down below, drop a comment on your price point and how many members you're going to need to hit that $1 million a year in recurring revenue. All right, let's get to work.